So the first step of working inside of any of the Microsoft Office applications is to open the application. So we're going to take a really quick, simple look at launching Microsoft Excel on your computer. Now, taking a look at my desktop, I've got a shortcut key directed towards Microsoft Excel 2013. So all I need to do is give that a double click and I'll launch Excel. Now, not all of us have a shortcut sitting on our desktop waiting for us to give a double click to. In that case, still super simple, to launch Excel, you're going to visit the Windows Start menu. Take a look. So in my case, I'm going to move down to the lower left corner of my screen. This activates my hidden taskbar. I'm going to click on the little Windows icon down there. This is my Windows 10 Start menu. Inside of the Start menu, now I do want to point out that it may look a little different based on what version of Windows you have on there, but the same concept applies. I'll find All Apps. I'm going to scroll down till I find M for Microsoft. There it is. I've got Microsoft Office 2013 installed, and I'll find Excel. So I'll give that a click, and I've now launched Microsoft Excel on my computer. Really simple. So whether you got that shortcut key, shortcut icon on your desktop, give it a double click, launch Excel, or do really quickly, jump into the Start menu, find Microsoft Office, find Excel, give it a click, and you got Excel. Now, to point out, based on what version you have loaded on your system, if you got 2013 or the newest released as of this recording, 2016, you get the Start screen to start with, this welcome page. Now, all I need to do to really get Excel launched and going for me is to choose a blank workbook. If you're in 2010 or earlier, 2007, 2003, whatever it might be, you've already got a workbook open in front of you as soon as you launch Excel. In my case, I'll just select blank workbook, and now I've got Excel full blown with my default blank workbook open in front of me. So try this out. Launch Excel, whether it's from that desktop icon or down in your Start menu, and get a blank workbook open in front of you. The next thing we're going to discuss is getting into the application, becoming familiar with the interface. So try this out first. Get Excel open.